It's 2026, the world has changed and AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's shaping our reality. From the news you consume to the jobs you can get, AI is everywhere. Not just to survive, but to thrive in this new era. You need a new set of skills. In this video, I will break down skills you need in this new AI era. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect. Our aim is to empower everyone by educating them on digital literacy. So the first skills you need is AI literacy. Skill number one is prompting. It's not just about typing, it's about context. The better you can describe the who, what and why of your request, and the less time you'll spend hitting the redo button. The second skill is spotting AI. As deepfakes get better, you have to look out for weird textures or gaps of logic. Being able to tell the difference between a real human and a digital puppet is the only way to stay ahead of the curve. Is fact-checking AI. AI chatbots are famous for hallucinating facts that sound perfectly true. You always have to double check and verify data and names. Tool picking. Using a general chatbot for heavy-duty math or coding is like using a screwdriver to hammer a nail. It might work, but it's the wrong tool for the job. The fifth skill is using your own personality. AI is a great co-pilot, but it should never be the driver. True quality comes from a unique voice and judgment, so you need to know exactly when to close the laptop and rely on your own brain to perform the job. Cybersecurity is the second set of skills you'll need. The first skill in cybersecurity is stop using passwords like password123 and stop trying to memorize 20 different logins and let a password manager do the heavy lifting for you. Use 2FA. This is to make sure even if a hacker steals your password, they can't get in without a physical code sent to your phone. This will make you a much harder target. The third skill in cybersecurity is ignoring the bait. Phishing is about creating a fake emergency to make you stop thinking. If you get a final notice or a suspicious login alert via text or email, don't click on the link. Instead, go directly to the official website. The last one to keep you secure is Hydra IP. Public Wi-Fi at coffee shops or airports is basically an open book for hackers to read your data. Using a VPN creates an encrypted tunnel for your internet traffic. The first set of skill sets you'll need in this era is data privacy. Delete ghost apps. Every unused app on your phone is a digital stowaway that could be tracking location or using your contact list in the background. If it's not serving you, get rid of it. Use a second email. Think of a secondary email as a spam shield for your digital life. Use it for one-time discounts or sketchy Wi-Fi sign-ups, so that when companies eventually use your data, it will never go to your primary email. The third skill you need in this section is to check your ears. Your phone isn't necessarily reading your mind, but it might be listening to your voice. Make sure you disable your microphone on certain apps. And the last one in data privacy is the internet is forever. The delete button is an illusion. Once something is online, someone somewhere has a screenshot or a backup. Treat your social media like a permanent resume, because this could be an issue in the future. The next section of skills is using AI to help you. Problem farming. Most people fail with AI because they ask it to do everything all at once. What you need to do is have a clear goal on what exactly you want that AI to be doing. This will give you more clarity and better answers. Human AI collaboration. Copy pasting directly from a chatbot is the fastest way to look like a bot yourself. You should see AI output and you should edit it with your human touch. Adaptive learning. In 2026, the best AI tool today will probably be obsolete. Instead of just using one interface, you should choose many AI models at the same time. And the last set of skills is the human edge. And we are in an era where there's infinite content, where the world is flooded with average AI generated art or text. Your competitive advantage isn't being able to hit the generate button, it's having an artistic eye and know what 1% of that output should actually be used. Digital empathy. As the world gets noisier with AI generated emails or corporate AI scripts, people are gonna crave being more authentic, more than ever. Know when to put AI away and use your own personal message. And lastly, AI is essentially a digital mirror. If you lead with certain opinions, it will often reflect that back to you. You have to build a habit of asking AI or point out flaws in your logic. Otherwise, you're just trapped in a high-tech echo chamber. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and these skills will help you in the new AI age. However, if you want more information, get in touch with our team down below for digital products, books, or just general information in the description below. Have a good day and bye.